Hello, friends! It's me, Poppy! Welcome back to Spartan Kids! Today we will draw a frog. So, let's draw a frog and make it the best. Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time! How to draw a frog. Step 1. Draw a half oval and add 2 half circles on the upper curved line of the oval. Step 2. Draw 2 small circles or pupils that will complete the frog's eyes and make a smile on the face. Step 3. Draw a shallow U in the middle right under the face. This will be the stomach and the body area. Step 4. Draw a half oval on both sides of the body and now join the point in V shape. Step 5. Draw 3 little ovals on both sides for making feet. Step 6. Draw little circles on the feet. These circles will be the frog's toes. Step 7. Now color the frog green. Our frog looks so real that it'll come out and start jumping around. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!